Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's see in this video sample automation script using object launch point. We will modify item master application. So let's go to and see our automation script. Your first script. I've been created it early before this video. Okay, this is our script. We will import our package here. Okay, and then we will check if MBO, current MBO, our MBO related to item object. We will save it and add before save. Okay, this is our object launch point. Okay, so our script is Python. As we talked, we will import this package. If current MBO output string description equal none, if description of item is equal none, we will set value of this description to hello from script if it's not. Okay, simple script. You can start with it to understand automation script. So let's go to inventory, item master. Okay, if we created a new one, let's call it test item. Okay, we didn't set any description here, so if we save it, okay, now hello from script. Where did this come from? It comes from automation script. Okay, we will see more scripts in next videos. Okay, so please share, subscribe. Thank you.